This video is about a program on the circuit board used to fade lights up and down. The program can be easily modified so you can change how the lights change. You can make your own circuit board using a standard prototype board and parts that are readily available on the web, or you can use a time-saving, professionally done circuit board. In the video, an Arduino Mini Pro is used to house the program. For the purposes of this video, only 6 5mm LEDs are used. If you follow the instructions below, you will see how you can use many more LEDs, even though there are only 6 PWM pins to which you can attach the LEDs. We start with the LEDs that represent street lights. On the right, there's another board with lights in rooms in a factory building. During the day, the rooms have lights. In the evening, the lights start to turn off. As the lights turn off, the street lights will start to fade on. Let's stop a second and watch that happen. Remember, the instructions below show you how to add many more street lights to this board. Okay, the street lights are fading on up to their brightness. Now we can adjust the rate on which they fade up in steps. How to do that is below. With time, we're going to wait now. I've cut this. We're going to wait until the building starts to light during the day again. During that time period, you'll see that the street lights start to fade off, just the way it is in the real world. In the program, you can have the fade off time different than the fade on time. Notice that the street lights are off and the building lights go on.